Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here. You guys can see it is a pink product. But before I tell you guys what it is, let's actually open up and show you guys what it is first. So here we have the product itself, you guys can see. It's actually really nice and really long. You guys can see, and pretty much what this product is a robe that you guys can wear to sleep and whatnot. So when you first get the product, you obviously want to wash it first because you don't know where it's been. But because of how nice I am, I'm going to put this on to show you guys how it looks like. Because that is my job, to show you guys how it looks and whether or not it's actually worth it. So first thing first, let me actually put it on first. Alright, so you guys can see it actually looks really nice and it feels really nice. It's actually really warm and it's actually really soft. They say it's for women, but wearing this right now, you can't even tell it for women. And they also give you this little rope to tie it around your waist, so it actually keeps you even more warm. It's like a style, I guess. But let me tie it so you can see what it looks like. So that's pretty much all you have to do. So this one actually has two pockets, so you can put your hands in here, and it actually looks really nice. And it's actually really long because it actually goes all the way down to my feet, and it's actually really comfortable and really nice style. It's literally so comfy to the point where I actually don't want to even take it off. Like, it's so natural. It makes me have that little Godfather look or something, but it's really nice. So with that being said, how much does this product actually cost? This product in particular costs around $35, and for that price range, would I say that's actually worth it or not? At the end of the day, it really depends on you guys as a consumer of how badly you need it and whether or not you guys actually need it. For me personally, if I actually use this every day and I want to look nice and feel nice and everything, then this product is actually really worth it. But if you guys are not willing to spend money and don't really need this, then you guys don't actually have to buy it because you guys need to put on extra layers and whatnot. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the little unboxing, testing, and feedback of the product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have